Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let me show you how to use new even dimmer mode on Android 16. On your device, you want to go to settings. Now let's scroll down until you see section accessibility. Now let's scroll to display section, and here you will see extra dim option. So let's open it, and here please turn this feature on. Additionally, under the section options, you can adjust how dim your screen should look like. So simply drag this slider dependent on the intensity that you want. Additionally, you can enable keep on after device restarts, and as well you can enable extra dim shortcut. So yeah, that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.